All right, can you go ahead and give me a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel? I'll appreciate it tremendously. All right, today I'm in a 2019 Toyota Tacoma, and I'm going to go over the heating and cooling system in this vehicle. One thing that I like about this vehicle, it is very simple, straight to the point, no bells and whistles on heating and cooling in this vehicle. And we're going to start from the left and we're going to go to the right. Right here is the fan speed control. Right here, you can turn it on off. It goes from low all the way up to high. You see that? And then right here is the AC button. If you want the air conditioning to be blowing the refrigerated air, this has to be pressed. Because we don't want it right now because it's cold outside, I'm going to depress it and make sure it's off. Next, we have the temperature control right here. If you want to have it to the warmest temperature, you go all the way to the right. To the coldest temperature, go all the way to the left. And you see when I go over to max AC, that button automatically turns on. But if I want it to turn off, I just click off of that and it goes off of that right there. All right. Next, we have the recirculation button. This button right here recirculates the air within the vehicle instead of taking it from outside of the vehicle. And then we're going to go on to the mode knob right here. The mode knob is very cool right here. It directs the flow of the air towards you. Right here, as you can see, it's pointing down to this area. It's blowing air at the feet and the windshield. Right here, it's blowing it at the feet. Right here, it's blowing it at the face and the feet. Right here, it's blowing at the face. And that's the mode button. That's how you control the air conditioning and heating system in the Toyota Tacoma.